Yeah. Die line with the boom pow. Every week now I switch to a new style. 212s in the back just blew out. Everything I do end up in the news now. Yeah.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be installing some Rola Plates, license plates on the Ford ST. The ones I've got at the moment, they're all peeling off for some reason, and they're quite big as well. So I've asked for the shortened version, a thinner version, and also gel plates to give it that look that, you know, looks quite cool instead of having a big massive license plate on it. So I thought, why not buy them? I'll link their website in the description down below, so you can go have a look at their license plates. Yeah, I recommend it because it looks quite good when I opened it up. So I thought, yeah, why not? So yeah, we're gonna be installing them, and before we go installing them, please hit that subscribe button and hit that like button as well, and don't forget to smash that notification button as well, so you don't miss another video of mine. But yeah, let's get to it. So as you can see, what I mean by this, as you can see, it's all peeling off, literally crap. So yeah, we're gonna be taking these out. Yeah, literally everything's coming to pieces. So first things first, get some screwdrivers, some Phillips. Where the fuck is it? Holy shit, what the hell is a screwdriver? Alright, let's get these. Give it a good clean, get all that stuff off. So when they come in, they come like this. So that is what it looks like compared to that. Big difference, massive difference. Now I asked for the sticky back because I don't want to screw it on. It looks crap when you screw it on. See, they've ruined this. It looks, yeah. But yeah, we're gonna put these on by sticking them on. So yeah, let's get to it.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our
stick it.
forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun.
Done. So as you can see, it looks quite nice. It looks very nice actually, quite small as well. And you can see the difference as well from there. Massive compared to that. So yeah, I prefer these ones. Finish that, we're going to do the rear, and then we'll go around it and see how it looks.
Here's to the ones who let shine through the rain, the ones who stood for something more. We won't forget your names. The tide is high, say goodbye, we're setting sail, and all those midnight secrets told, we'll take them to.
So we have finished the installation, as you can see inside behind me. It looks quite good, fits quite well, and obviously this gap on the side looks quite good. Yeah, but yeah, it's all done. And the back is all done as well. You can see the back as well. It's quite good. That looks sick. have finished installing it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up button as well. But yeah, show your support. Obviously, going to be some more videos on the project car as well, but we're waiting for the parts to come down for the Ford. But at the moment, yeah, it's taking a long time for some reason. It came, got halfway, and then sent back again because of a shipment or something like that. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace.
Yeah. Die line with the boom pow. Every week now I switch to a new style. 212s in the back just blew out. Everything I do end up in the news now. Yeah.